So today is day 14th of my ongoing 90 days trading challenge. Ngasi se ai ki 90 days trading challenge ki taramari ni suba numit date 7th of October 2022 October ki tang taret. Let's have a quick review of today's trade. Ngasi ki market say it opened with a gap down. Sida yam chawba natragasu gap down macha ma la it opened with almost around 100 points gap down, and after that market fall down for almost half an hour. This is a kelama kana ai opportunity amta phangdabana maram oiraga ngairaga leire. After all, sigi 20 EMS is sloping downward movement neba duna ai makhagi opportunity katang yengeba masi se mathaki yengeba first morning da. Since this is a sloping 20 EMA in the downward direction, I was looking for short opportunity only, and here there is one support area from and this is another support area which I have marked for today from previous 4th of October, and this is the resistance area that I have marked from previous 4th of October. Sigi numisida ilapat bayaba jaga sing neba ina sigi numisida desi bobe extend torba hi athamame. And again, this is another swing high or the supply zone from previous day. See here, February day 30 the toke area from February 30. This is the important supply zone or strong supply zone, selling zone sidagi swaina sharp selling ama lakibina. This is the important supply zone in the market or come. Let's see how the levels played out for the day. So my first trade I took in Bank Nifty was at around 11:30 AM. 11:30 AM da aina si first trade ama short ama laure sida short taure. My stop loss was kept above this level. Sida I stop loss tame aina sida short taure. What is the logic behind this trade is that sigi market se sumaina sida fall taure sida mu swing ama seme whether no fall taure sida mu swing ama seme adagi next time so I fall over. So it was almost like an M pattern or the lower low. When hanadagi as usual, we usually trade in lower low and lower high or higher high and higher low formation. So this is forming a lower low formation. This high is higher than this high at minus CE. So I was expecting this market to fall lower. Sisimagi later matungda. That's the first point that I was looking out before entering my trade. And the second point was I was waiting for my candlesticks to close below my 20 moving average. So this is the strong candle which has closed below my 20 moving average, and then I was waiting for other confirmations. And one more thing is that this is the supply zone which from 4th of October, the demand zone from 4th of October. This is hanegi demand zone or rather say support area. Support area is sidagi si kaitharu matungda retest taure matungda support turns into resistance area. Because once support is broken and comes down like this, when it comes back to this area, it will act as resistance and it will fall from here. Or say when this is, for example, this is a resistance. So if once market breaks away from here, when it comes back to this particular area, it will turn into support and it can bounce back from here. This is something that we have observed from previous days. Hanadagi kona dum khang leraba logic ne besi se ko khang leraba duna sigi support area si kaithar ro matungda sida retest taure matungda 20 EMA ki makha da su closing pire plus koina ngarang si nagi ba setup to sigia inside candle setup sigi candle sigi manungda sigi candle je fall taure it falls within the range of this previous candle. This is the range of previous candle, and this candle falls between this range. So once we have confirmed it from three different angles. That is, number one, it falls below my 20 EMA. Point number two, it has broken the support and it has retested the support where the support has turned into resistance, and it is forming a lower high formation. So we have confirmed it. We have confirmed it from three different points, and once this low is broken, I have taken my short trade here. So then a short trade to sange, as you can see, around 11:32 AM I have shorted Bank Nifty na 38,800 ki put se buy tawre 100 quantity, that is 4 lots. That is my usual lot, normal lot. I buy the whole lot ne adu si 371 rupees iraga laira kanda I exited it around 14 PM like that. So sida exit tawre sida I visited around 11 PM at around 300 and so I exited it around 11 PM. What is the logic behind this exit is that this is an important supply zone from February 30. Important supply zone the market has broken away from this particular area for a couple of days, and once it comes back to this particular zone, it can act as a support again. That's what I was looking out for. So once it came back towards this area, I booked my profit at this particular location. So at that time I made a profit of around 4,876, 38,800 PE. I buy the window. 4,876. Again, my second trade was entered here at around 1:20 PM. At around 1:20 PM. Here, let's see. Yes, 1:22 PM. I bought Bank Nifty again, 50 quantity. Why I bought 50 quantity? Because the logic behind this trade is that this is also another supply zone, a demand zone that I had marked from previous days, and this area has been broken in the morning here, and once it comes back to retest this particular zone, and Sigi zone je retest hai, and I was waiting for confirmation again. Sigi zone je retest matungda sida strong closing ama pideba Sigi zone je makada 20 EMA ki makada sulai is below my, it has closed below my 20 EMA as well as below this support zone. That's the same logic that I have told earlier. Sidagi sumaina kaitharure mutung sumaina retest tawre mathangda sumaina kaitharakani habi logic tu taragadi sida sigi mapa sida aina trade se enter tawre, keeping my stop loss above this zone, and I entered here. But I took only 2 lots of quantity, to only 50 quantity nang lai jika because I was very cautious that this zone was acting as a support in the first half hour. Support my target was very less, because if the pattern worked out, pattern was working in a lower low formation. So the one high is there, lower high is there, a lower high again. So if the trend were to go like this, it was supposed to go down like this, because this high, and then this low, then lower low, and another new low has to be made here. That's my logic of this trade. Adubu, unfortunately, Sigi trade se work out of hidre. Spike the reverse laga, my stop loss was hit, and I lost around 956 rupees. Say lost over. Matunda, my third trade and my final trade was taken again at around 1:55 PM da ID last trade che muksange. Last trade che sangbagi, what is the logic behind my last trade is that, we can clearly see and very obvious W pattern forming in 5 minute Bank Nifty. Obvious over W pattern form. This is a very obvious W pattern. For people who can't observe it with the candlestick, you can see in the line chart. See, this is a very obvious W, as you can see. Sigi W pattern se, I was waiting for this particular zone to get broken out, to get taken out. So Sigi W pattern si, Sigi W pattern si kam kan entry tawne kan W pattern ki si mabuk se kai ba kan kan entry tawani ba. Si mabuk se kam kan kai ye hai ba matam da Sigi candle sina kai ra around 1:50 PM ki candle sina kai ra. Sigi 1:50 PM ki candle sina Sigi mabuk se kai ra. Mabuk se kai ra matung da as it is these lines. Sigi mabuk se sida kai ra kai matung da I entered in this pullback. Sigi candle sina sana setar pullback la ko kan sida I entered here keeping my stop loss below this line. Sigi sida ai stop loss level se swai sida lai ra ai stop loss se sida lai ra Sigi line se makha thame duba I entered my long position here and my first target is this swing high. Sigi bok tai first target oira aduga my second target was still this high. So I entered my long position here. Sida 157 that I entered my long position. 100 quantity again my normal quantity because why? Because there is still very good space to go upward. Unlike the earlier trade where there was not enough space to go downward, here in this case there is enough space to move upward. So I took my normal quantity of size here, and then I was waiting for my trade to play out. So first, once it broke out from my first target, I was trailing my position very closely. As once Sigi first target se, Sigi first target se yaw matung dadi ai position se yam closely ai trailing to how level nang hai di swai je di swai area simak ekta pala kumak ni habeli di swai de reverse ta posu dum ai swai de la posu ai swai de yam closely trailing to how raga swai maya naksilak pasida ai book to thokre ko. Unfortunately, I missed out this move, but that's how the life of a trader. Loina mak move hok de do capture to ngam ponte capture to ngam thok tum khra tawani. The sida I made around here I took 39,100 call option CC ko. Then later 157 here I took 39,100 call option ataka bagi. Duna I made around 39,000 call options. I made I made around 5,293. So in total I made around 9,213 rupees profit for the day. That's all for today.